Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 5.1, Automating Workflows, Scripting for Efficiency. In today's dynamic tech landscape, manual tasks can be a significant bottleneck. This lesson is all about empowering you to reclaim your time and boost productivity by leveraging Python for automation. We're moving beyond isolated scripts to understanding how Python acts as that crucial glue for various services, orchestrating them into a harmonious symphony. By the end of our session, you'll be able to identify common tasks suitable for automation, understand the fundamental Python modules for interacting with your operating system, and ultimately, design and implement simple Python scripts to automate routine file management and data processing tasks. Let's dive in and transform the way you approach repetitive work. So, why Python for automation? Think of Python as your ultimate digital assistant, capable of handling a vast array of repetitive tasks with remarkable ease. It's not just about saving time, it's about reducing errors, ensuring consistency, and freeing up cognitive load for more complex, creative problem-solving. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries makes it incredibly versatile. For instance, the built-in OS module allows you to interact directly with your computer's operating system, managing files and directories effortlessly. Imagine automating tasks like organizing downloads, generating daily reports, or even conceptually sending out personalized email notifications based on a schedule. Python excels at these kinds of operations, acting as the perfect conductor for your digital orchestra, bringing together different musicians or services to perform a task. It's all about making your computer work for you, not the other way around. Let's get practical with file management. One of the most common and tedious tasks is organizing files. Whether it's sorting downloads, moving project assets, or cleaning up old documents, Python can handle it. The OS module is your primary tool here. It provides functions to interact with the operating system, allowing you to list directories, create new folders, rename files, and move them between locations. Think about how often you manually drag and drop files. With a few lines of Python, you can automate this entire process. We'll even see how tools like GitHub Copilot can assist, making these operations even quicker to implement. It's about understanding the logic of file system operations and translating that into code, turning hours of manual work into seconds of execution. Now, let's conceptualize building that file organizer script. The process is straightforward but requires careful thought. First, your script needs to identify the source directory where the files currently reside. Then, it needs to define the target directory where they should go. The core logic involves iterating through each file in the source, checking its type, say looking for .txt files, and then, if it matches, moving that specific file to the destination. Error handling is crucial. What if the target folder doesn't exist? Your script should be robust enough to create it. This structured approach, from identification to execution and confirmation, ensures your automation is both effective and reliable. It's about breaking down a complex task into manageable, automatable steps. We've covered a lot today. We started by recognizing Python as a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks, moving from the why to the how. You now understand how to leverage the OS module for essential file system interactions and have a conceptual framework for building scripts that organize your digital workspace. By applying these principles, you can significantly boost your efficiency and minimize manual effort. For your challenge, I want you to apply what you've learned. Write a Python script that reads a list of names from a text file, generates a personalized welcome message for each name, and then saves each message into its own separate new file. This task will solidify your understanding of file reading, string manipulation, and file writing, all essential automation skills. Good luck!